Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Chrysler 300 door, updated. Begin by ensuring safety. Disconnect the battery and wear gloves. Next, remove the interior trim carefully using a trim tool to pry clips without breaking them. Label each screw and clip as you go to make reassembly faster. Keep small parts in separate bags and take reference photos to track linkage positions and wiring connections for a smooth reinstall. Now we focus on the interior panel removal with a calm, step-by-step approach. First, remove the window switch trim and any visible screws behind it, then gently pry the panel outward to release the retaining clips. Work along the perimeter slowly to avoid breaking plastic. Once free, tilt the panel up to clear the lock pin, then disconnect the electrical connectors and set the panel aside in a safe spot. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker adds voice control and background music while you work on car projects, making tasks more enjoyable and hands-free. If you like this tip, please subscribe and hit like so I know to keep sharing useful updates. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we disconnect the hardware so the door can come off cleanly, staying methodical and patient. Unplug all wiring harnesses and unclip any plastic retainers to prevent tearing the vapor barrier. Detach the latch rods from the handle and lock assemblies, noting their orientation. Remove obstructing components like the speaker or moisture barrier as needed. Keep bolts and clips grouped and labeled so reinstallation matches the original setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.